Welcome back to the channel. Today we are at Lawrenceburg Speedway in the 23 car, and oh, check out this new K1 Wits RC Racing suit. Oh yeah, another fun, exciting night at the racetrack. This place is always super exciting. It's super fast, 3/8, super high banked. It's kind of like Eldora. So got a camera on the car, and we're gonna get out there, qualify, practice all together, and then we'll be back out for heat races. So hey, thanks for joining the channel, and don't forget to go like and subscribe. Just got done with practice qualifying, and what a blast that was. Like, oh man, like you don't get perfect track conditions very often, and that was just perfect track conditions. It was a little wet, which made it like not like super sticky, so I was just full hammer down, and man, that thing turned 9100 RPM and it is ripping. But there was a wire that looked like it was close to the header, so he's getting a zip tie to zip tie it up. We'll go check it out. You watch TmezTv? You even get to watch it, right? Because everybody watches it over at the family. You guys got the car here. Who's driving the car tonight?
Max Adams.
Max Adams. Well, good luck to you guys. And I've got to drive for these guys before, and it's always cool to see everybody at the racetrack and see that everybody's watching TmezTv. You know what? Because I'm in my own world. I don't know. I go home and edit. I get my kids on the bus, and I edit by myself at my house in my own world. It's awesome to have people watching. Thank you so much. All right, it is heat race time. We were fast time in a group. We should start fourth. Kyle's putting a mud cover on, and we are going to roll out onto the racetrack. doing crunches over there? What are you doing? When you're dating a race car driver, you got to work out, okay? So she's working out, and we're working out well tonight too. This thing's been really fast. We picked up a heat race win there. There's not a lot of cars here tonight, so there was only 2 heat races, but that'll start us pretty good, I would imagine. But without a lot of cars tonight, the track has not went through as many changes as it normally does, so it might not be all the way up on the top like it would be here normally, but boy, that was a blast. I mean, just letting this thing eat. Oh. Hey, Dave. Track, that was about as... So this is Dave. Dave takes care of this place for us and gives us a home to come race in those sprint cars. That was about as much fun as I've had here ever in practice. Really? Woo! Because it was like, it was perfectly smooth and it was just wet enough to be like not sticky but a little greasy, so I could just vlog it. It was a lot of fun.
He was fine.
Yeah.
Good to see you back, man.
How about this Wits RC Racing Products suit? It is bright. Shout out to Wits. And if you own an RC car and race RC cars, go check out Wits RC Racing Products. They have all kinds of cool stuff from motors and fans and ceramic coated bearings. So go check those guys out. Just talked to Dave Rudisell, and he's been promoting this place for a long time, and it's pretty awesome to have him as a friend of mine. And you know, he mentioned 20 grand to win coming up in a few weeks here with USAC, so we're going to use tonight to kind of get up to speed for that. And you know, as always, thanks for watching the channel. I hope you're having a wonderful day. We get to do this redraw, but you get the pressure of doing the redraw. How's it feel?
Good.
Good. Okay, have you done this before? Have you been to the races?
Yes.
Awesome. That's very cool. Thank your parents for me. And there's no pressure here. Draw whatever you draw, and hopefully you get a bag of chips or something. Okay. It's you. Okay. Bag of chips.
Filming TmezTv.
We are.
We're on TmezTv. Ladies and gentlemen, say hi to TmezTV. Have you got
2.
All right, good job.
High five.
You did. All right,
Yeah.
stand right over there with T-Mez.
That's a good draw. Great job. Yeah, she's dancing the front end because she's loaded down with fuel, and the car's usually pretty tight early in the feature because that's the best the track is. They watered the track, and I need to get comfortable and kind of figure this thing out. It's trying to over-rotate off a little bit, and I just am always throttle happy. So when you're standing on the throttle hard, it's trying to turn into the infield sometimes if you can get the right rear stuck. We'll fast forward a little bit here, and I start getting a lot smoother with the wheel, and I've kind of cleaned the top of the track off a little bit. I'm so used to this place just being up on the top that I'm kind of racing a little higher than I should be. But it's time for the slide job. He kind of gets a little turned off a 2 there and opens it up for me. But Nick, he's a local. He's one of the fast guys, and he knows where I'm going. The ghost slider, as I like to call it. Oh yeah, a yellow. That's what we needed. Not the best start there, but as always at Lawrenceburg Speedway, it's all about momentum, and there's so much banking on the top there. Nick knows it's coming. Oh, shattered dreams. Another GoPro bites the dust. That's okay, because without the cameras, there's no TmezTv. So we're setting Nick up for a slide job right here.
knows it's coming. He's working the track for me. But he's not going to give up without a fight. But I pedal it just right. And I think that is it. It is time to just go fast. We've got the lead, and this 23 car is ripping. The new motor is running so well, you can hear it. And even better, it's easy to pedal. So we pick up a win, and we park it in the infield.
That was pretty fun. That was pretty fun. Old Bilby, he didn't give me no brakes.
No, no.
Oh no.
Pulled away was pretty good though. It was fun. Fun to watch.
Thank you.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, he's coming from his machine. It's San Jose, California's T-Mez.
Yeah, I did, didn't I?
I missed the heat. How did it work? It still kind of go to shit. It was so.
No, the track was really good, and this thing was really fast. Oh yeah, we picked up a dub. I don't know if it's the new Witt's RC Racing product suit or this thing was just super fast. What a blast this was tonight. It was good after last night. I just kind of had a rough night last night. Nice to come down here, have some success, pick off a dub. Matter of fact, it was a clean sweep on the night. And, you know, hats off to Kyle, Chris, and Jammin' Jim Simon, the owner of this thing. As always, thanks for watching TmezTv. I'm out.